Hi guys, welcome to Claire's Culinary Adventures again. I've been away for a while and I'm sorry. Not feeling well, was under the weather. Anyway, I'm back to form and I have been promising you for a while that I'm gonna do Jamaican pakasa. I know a lot of younger Jamaicans don't even know what that is. My aunt Rose, she actually was my grand aunt. She was my mother's aunt. She used to make this and she called it poor food. You know, a lot of stuff we make, we call it poor food. So she used to make it and we used to lick our fingers when she make it. So now and again I make it, and today is one of those days when I feel like having some. So in this pot I have codfish, nice codfish. So I put two pieces because we want a lot. So I'm boiling the codfish to get rid of some of the salt and to soften it up a little bit. And I might have to boil it, pour off this water and boil it again if it's still salt. But anyway, my ingredients are, I'm gonna put in there banana, a little piece of yam, any type of yam is fine. I just don't put like sweet potato because it's gonna make it sweet. All right, so and the main part that's gonna go with the codfish is coconut milk or coconut cream. Um, Fresh coconut is always the best, but you know, I'm not in Jamaica where I can go get a good fresh coconut. I mean, a coconut that's not old. I bought many coconut, and most of the time you buy them at the Korean stores, they're old, you throw them away, you lose your money. So anyway, I'm gonna season it up, black pepper, onion, and so on, and I'm gonna put some dumplings in here. It's a one pot dish, so if you never tried it, it's something you could try for your family. It's everything is going in the pot. All of this. It's almost like you're making soup, but it's not soup. It's gonna be like a rundown kind of thing with all the food inside of it. So I hope you enjoy it and try to make it when you get a chance. And so for now, I'm boiling the fish, and I'll come back when we reach, when I get to the next step. By the way, I'm using this pure coconut. It's like a hardened type of cream. If Grace makes them, or other company makes them, but I like Grace one. This one, the liquid one in the tin is Jamaican Choice. I sometimes mix them together, or I might use two creams. I think I'm gonna mix them together today. All right, so keep watching. So my fish is cooked, and I put it in some water in this bowl. Um, and I started with the food. I throw this water off that the fish was cooked in, and I put fresh water, and I already put in these dumplings. So right now I'm just gonna pour this is banana. I cut them up small. You like everything small because you don't want it to take too long. Gonna put in seasoning banana and yam in the pot right now. I'll put a small amount of water in there since we're gonna pour the rest of the juice in. Sorry, the coconut milk. So I'm pouring in the coconut milk, at least that thin. And I'm gonna put the black, the one from the box over there. I'm putting this in also. So all that's gonna melt and incorporate it. Everything will be incorporated. So now I'm gonna put the fish last because I want this to cook for a while. So I'm gonna cover that up. All the food is in, the dumplings are in, and I'm gonna put the fish in last. So I'll come back to you when I'm putting that in. Okay, so guys, the pot is cooking, it's almost ready. And you see how thick it got, just like when you're making rundown. So it's almost ready there. I did put a little drop of curry. I don't want it to cook too yellow, so I put a tip of curry so it's not really white. It's up to you what you want to do. So everything is here, and this is, as I said, a one pot meal. And I drop the fish in, break them in pieces and drop them in. And I turn the stove down because you don't want things to stick at the bottom. But it's almost ready. I give it another couple minutes. Turn it down, give it a couple minutes, and when I put it in my plate, when I share it out, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching so far. So, I was wondering where this word pakasa come from because only Aunt Rose use that word that I know of. Have you ever heard that word? Pakasa? To me, it sounds like mix up, you know, like it's stirring up something good. You mix up something, which is what this is. You know, this pakasa, it's like a rundown kind of thing, only you put food in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this is my dish. I've shared it out and I'm ready to eat my dinner. It's not the prettiest of prettiest of dishes. You know, it's my little pepper there. I got avocado and everything. It's not pretty, my dumplings, but it's delicious. It's really good. It's like a really great rundown, you know, which it is. It's rundown and with the codfish, just like how you do rundown and codfish, but we put the food in here and make it a one pot instead of cooking the food in a separate pot. No, I was talking to somebody about the word pakasa. And I really never heard much other people talk about it beside Aunt Rose, because my mother never made it. But she told me she heard the word before, and I said, what it means? She said it's like a one-pot dish. So obviously some of you might know. If you know the word pakasa, post down below and tell me what you think. Would you make it? It's really good. So now finally I made my pakasa. I'll see what we come up with next. What other dish I make. If you have a dish you wanna want me to make, please say so.